What's up, UTU Trust Guardians? Welcome to the January 2021 edition of the UTU Update. I'm Mike, your Chief Commercial Officer, and I'm here with our CEO, Jason. Say hi, Jason.
Hey, everybody. How's it going?
And our CTO, Bastian.
Hi, everyone.
And as usual, we're going to talk about everything that's happened at UTU in the past month. Before we jump into the formal updates, guys, how has 2021 started for both of you? Personally, I'm pretty excited to not have to really think about 2020 anymore. Just looking forward to a great year. How about you guys?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm
so excited for this year. It's looking like a wonderful year on all fronts, and thank goodness it's not 2020. And we have these cool new UTU backdrops.
That's right. Right. Bastian, how's 2021 been treating you so far?
Well, yeah, it certainly started nice, and we have lots of great goals for this year. Basically making UTU really work, so I'm looking absolutely forward to that. Team is also pretty comfortable now working remotely, so I think we are well set.
Yeah,
straight ahead.
Yeah, so let's stick with you, Bastian, and roll into the product updates. So what does the tech team have cooking on the product front? Let's hear all about it.
Yeah, we have made some great progress on the Trust API, which is the application programming interface. So the way that our clients can interface with UTU and integrate UTU, and also the Web SDK, which makes this task even easier. Basically, it's about providing standard components that enable clients to really easily put UTU recommendations and feedback into their own apps and websites. And yeah, we are about to start integrating this with our first pilot clients, and just a couple of weeks away from a public release, which can then be accessed via the self-sign-up on our website. We've also put really a lot of effort into making that as simple as possible, the SDK integration, that is, meaning regardless of what our clients use for technologies like React, Vue, Angular, vanilla JavaScript, and other frameworks, that should work really simple and well. And for the techies among our audience, I hope there are some there. We are using some custom web components, X tags, to really make that as simple as possible, and also some efficient rendering via Preact, all the while keeping the SDK really small. So there's the cost for the clients and for the users to download the web page, and adding our SDK will be really small. So yeah, looking absolutely forward to see this in action. And on the back end, we did some more remodeling of our feedback model, given some hard thoughts about this, and we are very eager to try this out, including nice features like video reviews, or it's a bit like stories, if you like, on Facebook. And we are looking forward to try this out and integrate this with our clients. So yeah, exciting times.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. And I think that's so important to have the product just be able to be seamlessly integrated into our clients' applications. Obviously, we want to make things as easy for them to incorporate our models and the API, and so their users can easily use it as well. So especially, on my end, being responsible for customer success and customer happiness, we are gonna really appreciate that from the tech team to be able to easily integrate that. So
absolutely.
So awesome. So next big news, we partnered with Harmony Protocol to launch our trust infrastructure on their blockchain, Jason. So you actually have had some very interesting history with the Harmony founding team. So why don't you talk a little bit about that and how we're going to work together with Harmony in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. This is super cool. It's funny because things come full circle somehow. I know the Harmony team pretty well. Actually, I've visited Harmony House in California a few times. They have these pretty epic blockchain barbecues where lots of folks meet and get to interact, and partnerships are born. But actually, Nick White, one of their early engineers, played a pretty big role in the early kind of brainstorming and structuring of UTU protocol. And we actually share some common supporters and backers beyond that. So yeah, there's some great history there, and it's nice to actually bring the two companies together. The cool thing is that all the DeFi lending apps that are built on Harmony will be able to use UTU's trust and credit scoring oracles to better assess users' creditworthiness. And marketplace applications can use our review and recommendations engine to increase conversions and lifetime value and all the key metrics that they care about, as well as better transparency and privacy for their users. So it's pretty cool what's going to happen between UTU and Harmony.
Yeah, it's really interesting when you told me about how the founders of Harmony and Nick had such a big influence on the creation and design of UTU, and now, like you said, it's coming full circle, and we're working together with them again and pushing DeFi forward. So super cool there. So we will post a link to the Harmony announcement blog post in the video notes, so you can read about that. And a couple of other things that happened this month. First, we had held an AMA with our friends at Bigcoin Vietnam. They have over 8,000 members in their community, and Jason and Bastian answered a bunch of the questions about what UTU is, how unique our solution is, our dual token mechanism, and a lot more. And we gave away some UTU to those who asked the best questions. So did you guys have fun doing that, AMA?
Yeah, it was super cool. They have a nice community.
Yeah, it was really important.
There were some interesting questions there, definitely.
Yeah.
It was fun.
It was very, very informative. I sat in on it. And if you missed it, we will post a link to the transcript in the video notes. Last formal update, we have decided to put the UTU liquidity mining program on pause while we consider some other options. We definitely want to thank everyone in our community who provided liquidity, and we hope you enjoyed the rewards. And we were definitely looking at exploring other ways that you can earn UTU, so stay tuned for more information. So that's it, kind of short and sweet. Jason, Bastian, any closing remarks that you have before we end the update?
Yeah, I want to add that we are still hiring front-end, back-end, and AI senior positions, and we are working remotely these days, so we are basically looking at people anywhere, although time zone match would be advantages. But if you're interested, then please check our website and send us your application. We would be glad to receive it. I can only promise an exciting working environment and an exciting product to work on.
Yep.
Yeah, that's true. We're definitely expanding the team, so look out. We'll probably post some more updates for additional positions. And otherwise, I'm just excited for the next couple weeks and months, guys. We're going to be updating our roadmap soon, so keep an eye out for that. And we have some pretty cool partnerships that we'll announce. You're not going to want to miss them. And then the biggest thing is definitely the updates and releases of our product, which are coming in a very, very short time. And it's going to be really cool. So let's try to keep ourselves under control until then. I'm getting excited ahead of myself, just waiting to see what the response is. But it would feel really great. Can't wait to take these next couple steps with you guys.
Yeah, same here. I think just hearing about all the product updates and the partnerships and over the next month or two is very exciting. It's always exciting times, but definitely very, very important to this early stage of UTU that we're at, and we're getting products out there, and can't wait to push them out. So, all right, UTU Trust Guardians. Well, that's all we have for you. Hope you enjoyed this edition of the UTU update. Please hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any notifications or future videos. Thanks so much and have a good one. We'll see you soon. All right, guys.
Bye.
Thanks, everybody.